Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove or delete face unlock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to security and privacy. And here select device unlock and click on face and fingerprint unlock. If you have already set face unlock, you should show on. Okay, face on. Okay, click on face and here draw your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. And here you will find face data option. Just click on this button, delete button, so that face unlock will be removed from your phone. Now it has been removed and I can no longer use face unlock. Okay, again I go to register face unlock to use face unlocking. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove face unlock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.